So this is my new OneOdio, or I don't know how you say that, audio with an O, Tone Studio DJ headphone. I got this so that I can use it with my old school 4-track to plug in my microphone and practice my vocals for a little band that I'm doing. It's packaged nicely, and then it even comes with this little bag to hold the headphones. And then the headphones are pretty decent quality. They come nice and securely wrapped. Nice pink color. I'm not really a big fan of pink, but these were a good deal. So I will have to check out the quality of the audio. But that's the headphones. And then here's a nice long cord. This is actually why I had to purchase them. My 4-track needs to be plugged in, and my mic stand it needs to be a little ways away so that when I practice, I can kind of practice my moves also at the same time, and also my mic technique. And my old school headphones were just not long enough. So I'm hoping that this is going to be a good fix for me to get some good practice in. And they are nice quality. They're pretty big, they're cushy, and they tell you, just in case you don't know, that's the left and that's the right. So yeah, I will have to maybe update later on the sound quality, but as far as the reviews go, they're pretty good. So hopefully these are exactly what I need.
I think the only thing they don't have is that they don't have the wireless capability, but you know, I think they're really good. They're wired, and yeah, the sound is clear and it's got really good bass as well. And yeah, I think they're quite steady and very strong. I just like the way this is like kind of metallic, so it's really good. So I would definitely recommend you to buy. Look at that. That's amazing, right? Very good. I think I've had them for a month now, and they've never disappointed me. So if you're looking for headphones, maybe for recording music in the studio, or just, you know, watching some stuff on the laptop or computer, then I think this is the right product.
I do like the cord. The color is as pictured. The cushions are soft on your ears. However, it's kind of tight, so if you wear them for a long time, it will begin to get tight on your ears. I don't like that it doesn't open far enough for my head. I do have locks. I do like the fact that you're able to rotate these. Overall, they are cute. However, they do get tight if you wear them for a long time.